Instagram has added a lot of features to its services in the past year or so. This includes stories and reels, which were a much awaited yet controversial feature for the platform. Users have been making use of these new features to gain new audiences, which prompted Instagram to add a huge library of songs to its platform. You can now use these songs in your reels and stories. But what about your saved songs? Can you use them within stories on Instagram? Let's find out. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to Technology World Hasib and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Technology World Hasib, like the video, share the video and be sure to express your opinion in the comments section. Thanks.